Hello trader. Profit is stable every month using the Hidden EA Expert Advisor. After some testing of the Hidden EA Expert Advisor I get quite satisfactory data. From the backtest results 8 currency pairs benefit with a relatively low drawdown. And from the results of testing live trading for 2 weeks, it is proven that 8 pairs can generate profits, all with low drawdowns. If you are new, you can subscribe to this channel and get free expert advisors and reviews every time I upload a video. This time I will review the detailed settings of the Hidden EA Expert Advisor. There is a question from subscribe. Can Hidden EA be used for $100 capital? And how the optimal settings. Watch this video to the end. Hopefully a detailed review of the Hidden EA parameters can help you. Make sure before switching to using real money. Get used to your first study at least 2 weeks until you are sure. In this video I will explain some of these points. Okay, for the details like this. 1. Setting lot size to match the deposit capital. The pair I use is Euro to US dollar, H1 time frame, and 20 spreads. The initial capital I use is $100. As a comparison, I will show the transaction details of the default preset. Transactions open 0.01 lot. Now I will change the parameters. I will use lot options compound lots. Factor lot is a multiple of the number of lots based on the balance. I will change the lot factor to 50. It means that every multiple of $50 lots will increase by 0.01. Changes to open transactions will be different. You can see here. Open transactions change to 0.02 lots. I will give another example. I change the lot factor to 25. It means that every multiple of $25 lots will increase by 0.01. The open transaction changes to 0.04 lot. I change the lot factor to 10. And the opening lot should have changed to 0.10 lots. 2. Setting take profit ideal. For the standard setting the take profit is 50 points. If the conversion to dollars then 50 cents. Notice here. I will change it to 100. And if it is converted to dollars the take profit is $1. And if it is changed to 200, the take profit is $2. Three. Setting a lot of exponents. To compare the results, I use the default preset first. Exponent lot by default is filled with 1.5. If take profit has not been reached then the lot will be increased by 1.5. Because here the lot size can only be increased by multiples of decimals, the result is that the initial open position is 0.01, the second open is 0.02 and the third is 0.02 again. I will change the exponential lot to 2. Meaning the lot will increase by 2 times. You can see here. Open initial position 0.01, open second position 0.02 and open third position 0.04. Another example. If I change the exponential lot to 4 then the increase in lots will increase 4 times. Four. Pips distance. Next is the distance to P. Pips distance is the distance to open the first and subsequent positions based on the specified pips. By default the pips distance is set at 55 points. Let's see the result. The first open position was opened at a price of 1.13185, and opened the second position at the price of 1.13110. I'll try to calculate it in Excel. The result of the calculation for setting the actual 55-point pips distance is 75 points. My example will change the distance of pips to 100 points. The result when the open position is the distance to 196 points. The point is the pips distance parameter is to set the distance open position. But actually here I get different results from the settings. I don't know why like that. 5. Equity risk. By default equity risk is set at 35%. Try will see the result. What if I change it to 100%? If you look here there is no change whatsoever. Here I suggest for the equity risk parameter, just leave it as the default. Okay, how is it clear enough? Please you can repeat the video if something is still not clear. 6. Result settings default. Next I will try a custom preset with a $100 deposit capital. I will try with the default preset. For the time period I tested from January 2022 to September 2022. With a time frame period of H1 and a spread of 20. With a capital of $100 here I get a profit of $81.28. Or profits increase by about 80%. And a drawdown of $31.28 or about 26.49%. Consecutive wins 11 times in a row and consecutive losses 2 times in a row. 7. Result settings custom 1. Custom settings I will try to reduce the drawdown. The parameters that I changed were my take profit was reduced to 30 points and I changed the lot exponent to 1.3. Okay, the drawdown that occurred from January 2022 to September 2022 is $17.20 or around 16.19%. And details of other backtest results. Please pay attention here. 8. Result setting custom 2. What if with a capital of $100 the lot is added every multiple of $80? I will try it to see the result. I changed the lot factor to 90 and my take profit was reduced again to 20. The result is a drawdown that is almost the same as the custom preset 1 but the profit is smaller. Custom preset 1 earns $32 profit and custom preset 2 earns $22 profit. 9. Result setting custom 3. Next experiment I will try to increase the take profit value to $100. Factor lot 80, lot exponent 1.1. We can see here the results. If you increase the take profit and factor a lot the results are less stable. The profit generated is small and the drawdown is large. I will try again if the lot factor is changed to 100 and the exponential lot is defaulted to 1.5. For the profit results obtained to be large but the drawdown is also large. Okay, I will return the take profit setting to the default, which is 50 with the lot factor still 100. I leave the other parameters the default. I think the results are pretty good. Drawdown is quite low, 20%, and the result is a profit of $106 or 106% of the deposited capital. I think that's enough review of the hidden EA parameter. Hopefully this can help you. Support this channel by clicking like and sharing this video. If there is something you want to ask, please submit it in the comments column. Also watch other videos on this channel and find the right expert advisor for you. Thanks.